Hello guys, welcome along. And today now we're going to be installing these new products that we only just got in last week. They are the LED smoked lights. The GL1800. They will fit, these ones first of all are the trunk lights. They will fit the 2001 to the 2017 model. These are also LED lights. And these ones then would be the rear lights, but these will only fit the 2012 to 2017. And I think they will look quite good when they're installed. A lot will go on the colour of the bike, obviously. They will suit some, not others. But they do have a nice LED light going through them, which you will see in a couple of moments as we install them. So let's go and start doing the install. Okay, to install these lights now, what we're going to have to do is unbolt the 3 acorn nuts at the back. After you do that, then just pop the lights out. Now, unfortunately, with these lights, there's a bit of slicing and dicing required. They don't come with the right connectors. Now, I'm leaving this original connector alone. I'm not touching that. This one is one I'm going to fiddle with. So we have to play around with the colours because they're all different. To find out which ones are the right ones. So I'll cut them and we'll just trim them back. You can put in whatever kind of connectors you want and just hard wiring them into the bike, into the connectors that are already there. I believe this is the earth. Running light. Let's just check. So that's the running light. That then will be the brake light. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. Just put this cloth here just to protect the bike with the heat gun. You don't want to do any unnecessary damage. Now, if you are interested in these lights and you're concerned about the wiring of them, we can install connectors onto the lights if you want. So just let us know if that's what you would like and we can do it for you, so that they can end up being plug and play. Okay, give them a few minutes to cool down now before we actually bolt it up, because they could end up sticking to each other. Meanwhile, we'll just, now you're not using the existing nuts, so these come with screws that use in their place. Brake light. Cool. Okay, now we'll change the rear light. Now you've got 4 aircon nuts, 2 in each saddlebag. Just remove them and just gently remove the lights. Now we'll plug this in, and then we'll test them. We do have a bag of stuff that comes with them, and I'm not too sure if we're going to need them or not, so we'll just check them. So they come, let me just check something now. So, as I said, just plug them in. Now, you have this bag of stuff to install onto the bike, but you don't need them. They are for the indicators, the load equalizers for the indicators. But because we already have, we've already changed the flasher unit on this, we don't need to install that stuff onto it. So all these wires, we don't need them. There we are. So, and just put back, you've got 4 screws, just screw them in from the inside, and they're all done. Now what we'll do now is test them out. Okay, we've got the running lights, our brake lights up at the top, right hand indicators, and left hand indicators. Just make sure everything's okay, or flash units. And all okay. Everything's working as it should be. So that's the rear trunk and saddlebag lights fitted onto the bike. You'll find a link in the description down below to the products, and also to our shop, www.shinywing.com. So thank you for joining us, and please like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. That's goodbye from Paul.